So you kindly explained in one of the previous sessions that when the body of after the death of a person, the spirit departs from the body, and of course the body is left to disintegrate afterwards behind. What is the philosophy in giving bath, ghusl, to the body? And secondly, please correct me if I am misinformed, that it is not imperative to give bath to the body of a martyr. Is it true, sir?
Yes. The first thing is that it is not for the sake of the body that the bath is given. It is for the sake of human values that the bath is given. And the human values are concerned both with the dead man and with the living. It is out of respect for the dead man to keep him clean, and so that people who come and visit or who take him to the grave, they don't have a repulsion of the body. It should be neat and clean and good smelling. Otherwise, if you take the body as such, leave the body as such, it may smell so badly sometimes, may stink, that even the nearest and loving relations would run away from that. So, for the respect to the deceased person, it's highly important that he should be buried in the best possible form, so that a good memory is left behind. And out of the respect for the sentiments of those whom he has left, it's also important that their love should be given some expression, and that expression is given in that. Thirdly, cleanliness is a habit inculcated by Islam in Islamic society so extensively, although it has been totally or almost totally abandoned by the present day Muslim societies of many countries. But still, nothing can be gainsaid of this fact that Islam is the one religion which lays greatest stress on cleanliness. So that teaching in general, in principle, also requires that treatment.